Hello everyone! Welcome back to SpeakAura. I'm so happy you're here, because today's lesson might completely change the way you learn English. Today's topic is the best way to learn English in 2026. Let me ask you something. How many times have you started learning English, only to stop a few weeks later? Maybe you've downloaded language apps. Maybe you've watched YouTube videos. Maybe you've bought grammar books. Maybe you've memorized hundreds of vocabulary words. But somehow, you still don't feel confident speaking English. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The problem isn't that you're bad at learning English. The problem is that many people are using methods that don't help them speak naturally. The good news? In 2026, learning English is easier than ever before, if you know what to focus on. So today, I'm going to share the best way to learn English using methods that actually work. Let's begin. Rule number 1. Stop trying to be perfect. This is one of the biggest mistakes English learners make. Many students think, I need perfect grammar before I speak. But that's not how languages work. Think about children. When children learn their first language, they make mistakes every day. They don't wait until they're perfect. They speak. They listen. They make mistakes. And little by little they improve. You should do the same. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. If you're waiting to speak perfect English, you might never start speaking at all. Rule number 2. Listen to English every single day. Listening is the foundation of speaking. If your ears aren't familiar with English, your mouth won't be either. You don't have to study for hours. Just listen every day. Listen while you're cooking, walking, cleaning, driving, exercising. Even 15 or 20 minutes every day can make a huge difference. Choose content that's interesting to you. Podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, stories. The more English you hear, the more natural it becomes. Rule number 3. Learn phrases instead of single words. Many learners memorize vocabulary like this: apple, go, beautiful, happy. But in real conversations, people don't speak one word at a time. They speak in phrases. Instead of learning, hungry, learn, I'm hungry. Instead of learning, busy, learn, I'm busy right now. Instead of learning, understand, learn, I understand, or I don't understand. Your brain remembers complete expressions much faster. Rule number 4. Practice shadowing. If you've watched my previous videos, you already know what shadowing is. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating almost immediately. Not 5 seconds later. Not after translating. Immediately. Shadowing improves your pronunciation, your listening, your rhythm, your confidence. Even 10 minutes a day can make your English sound much more natural. Rule number 5. Think in English. This is one of the biggest secrets to becoming fluent. Stop translating every sentence in your head. Instead, use simple English to describe your day. When you wake up, think, I'm tired. I need coffee. It's a beautiful morning. When you're walking, think, the sky is blue. There are many cars. I'm going to work. At first, it feels strange. But after a few weeks, your brain starts thinking directly in English. That's when speaking becomes much easier. Rule number 6. speak every day. You don't need a native speaker beside you. You don't even need a classroom. Speak to yourself. Describe your room. Talk about your plans. Read aloud. Record your voice. The goal is simple. Move your mouth. Speaking is a physical skill. The more you use it, the easier it becomes. Rule number 7. Use AI as your personal English teacher. One of the biggest advantages of learning English in 2026 is that you don't have to study alone. Today, AI can help you correct your grammar, improve your pronunciation, practice conversations, explain vocabulary, create study plans, answer your questions anytime. Instead of waiting for your next English class, you can practice whenever you want. Technology doesn't replace practice, but it makes practice much easier. Rule number 8. Don't study for hours. Study consistently. Many people study for 3 hours on Saturday, then nothing for the rest of the week. That's not effective. Instead, study a little every day. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, even 15 minutes. Consistency always beats intensity. Small daily habits create big results. If I were starting from zero today, this is exactly what I would do. 5 minutes reviewing vocabulary, 10 minutes listening to English, 10 minutes shadowing, 10 minutes speaking out loud, 5 minutes reading. That's only about 40 minutes a day. And if you're busy, even 20 minutes is enough. The important thing is showing up every day. Here's today's challenge. For the next 7 days, follow this simple routine. White heavy checkmark listen to English for 10 minutes. White heavy checkmark practice shadowing for 5 minutes. White heavy checkmark learn 3 new phrases. White heavy checkmark speak out loud for 5 minutes. That's it. No complicated grammar. No stress. Just real English every day. After 1 week, you'll already notice a difference. Remember this. There is no magic app. There is no secret shortcut. There is no perfect method. The best way to learn English in 2026 is to use English every single day. Listen, speak, read, think, repeat. And most importantly, don't give up. Every conversation, every mistake, every new word brings you one step closer to fluency. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope this lesson motivates you to keep going because you can learn English. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe to SpeakAura, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. And before you leave, I have one question for you. What's your biggest challenge when learning English? Listening, speaking, grammar, vocabulary, or confidence? Write your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and maybe your question will become the topic of our next lesson. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.